Ever pondered over which platform to choose, Shopify or Moneris? In the vast digital landscape, these two names stand out as titans in the e-commerce world. Shopify, a trusted and popular choice, offers a comprehensive solution for online stores. On the other hand, Moneris, a leading payment processor, excels in secure transactions. This video will pit these two against each other, comparing their features, benefits, and drawbacks. So brace yourselves as we dive into the world of e-commerce platforms. First off, let's consider how user-friendly these platforms are. Shopify, with its intuitive interface, is designed with simplicity in mind. It's like taking a stroll in the park. It's easy, comfortable, and requires little to no technical knowledge. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or a novice just starting out, Shopify offers a seamless experience that makes it a breeze to set up your online store. On the other side of the spectrum, we have Moneris. It's a bit more complex, akin to assembling a piece of furniture. You might need a little more time and technical know-how to navigate its settings and customization options. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. In fact, this complexity can offer greater flexibility and customization, allowing you to tailor your online store to your exact needs and preferences. While Shopify offers simplicity, Moneris might appeal more to those with a bit of technical savvy. Next up, the all-important question, how much will it cost you? When it comes to the cost, you'll find that Shopify and Moneris have different pricing structures. Shopify operates on a subscription-based model, where you pay a monthly fee that ranges from $29 to $299. This fee includes access to Shopify's suite of tools and features, as well as round-the-clock customer support. Moneris, on the other hand, follows a pay-as-you-go approach. While this may seem more affordable at first glance, it's crucial to consider the additional costs that can pile up. For example, you may need to pay extra for customer support or for specific add-ons to enhance your e-commerce site. Furthermore, Moneris charges a per-transaction fee, which depends on your sales volume. This means that as your business grows, your cost with Moneris may increase significantly. So, while Shopify might have a higher upfront cost, Moneris could end up being more expensive in the long run due to its additional fees. Now, let's turn our attention to customer support. When it comes to customer support, both Shopify and Moneris have made strides to ensure their customers are well taken care of. Shopify provides round-the-clock support every day of the week. Be it through phone, live chat, or email, you can reach out to them anytime you hit a snag. Moneris, on the other hand, offers dedicated account managers for each of their customers. These managers are there to provide personalized support and solutions tailored to your business needs. However, they operate within business hours, which might not be ideal for those late-night troubleshooting sessions. In terms of response times, Shopify tends to be quicker due to their larger support team. But Moneris has been praised for the quality of their assistance, often providing more in-depth and customized solutions. It's clear that both platforms have their strengths when it comes to customer support, but your specific needs and expectations might make one a better fit than the other. So, after considering ease of use, cost, and customer support, where do we land? In the Shopify versus Moneris showdown, it's clear that each platform shines in its own right. Shopify excels with user-friendly interfaces and a wealth of features, while Moneris stands strong with competitive pricing and localized customer support. The choice, therefore, boils down to your specific needs and preferences. Remember, the best e-commerce platform is the one that suits your unique business needs and goals. Happy selling!